Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to change your Roblox background on a desktop. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upload from us. Open up a web browser and first, make sure you're logged into Roblox. Make sure to open up your Google Chrome web browser since we'll be working on it in today's video. In the web address bar at the very top, type in www.roblox.com and press enter. Make sure you log in to your Roblox account by clicking on the login button at the upper right hand corner. Enter your credentials for your Roblox account and log in. Once you're logged into your account, by default, you'll be able to see a boring white background on your Roblox account. If you'd like to change that, then follow the steps. Open up a new tab and go to the web address bar at the top and type in Google Chrome Web Store and press enter. Click on the Chrome Web Store link and this will take you to the Chrome Web Store where you can search in extensions for your web browser. Type in stylish into the search bar and search. Look for stylish-custom themes for any website extension on the next page. Click on the extension and click on Add to Chrome right next to the extension. In the pop-up that appears at the top, click on Add Extension and now this page will open up on the next tab. Click on Start browsing the styles. Click on Sign in with Google or with email, any one option from the display. Enter your credentials for your Google account or choose your Google account in the pop-up and give it a click. In the left-hand side menu, click on Roblox right under Top Styled Sites and you'll get to choose themes and skins for your Roblox account's background. Choose any one that you'd like to use and give it a click. Now click on Install Style and your style has now been installed. Click on Take Me There and you'll end up in the home page of Roblox with your background changed into something else. That is how you can quickly and easily change your Roblox background with the help of a Chrome extension. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.